Boya Martin. Skuru ya KATHIGIRI bundingire goji South Menti orenge none Nchamba bwayo kirekero keke muthia KCPE na ara murito wa mbere skuru yare na maximum yana ye 18 ana 29 bari na maximum yana GWITIA kaiteno kau ne skuru ya CONSOLATA irere North Menti kinyone one Nchamba bwayo na rere na 21 barabara na maximum yana GWITIA wa mbere are na maximum yana ye 17 skuru ya kirari kinyayo mwaka yuno one Nchamba bwayo na ramwana wa mbere awete maximum yana ana 17 bawete maximum ya 3 GWITIA kutugikare aina ribotie.
Nyuma ya Minista wa Kithomo Kiremongo jwa Kenya Ezekiel Machogu gutumiria mpumi cia kireo ya KCPE kia mwaka juju jamwe jama skuru ne jethirite jathithĩtie bwega na jamukira mpumi njega ida bethirite baikenera ntuku ya narua na jane PCEA KATHIGIRI primary arabori nana 29 bari na maxi magana jana gwita na mbere araritwa baoba mbere bathatu bagutongerete na maxi magana jana je 18
tukari na bana bagwete 418 na twagwirwa mono nontu asha away from 428 ire kugwati mwana mbere in Kenya na maxi 10 yake itugwiritwe sana na itukugia class kiu kirathithie bwega
anakethirwa iyute o maxi ire tukwiregirite turerigirite kuma 50 pupils getting 400 and above rakini nondo neki nayo irutire mwana wa mbere na 428 nitugucokeria ngai ngatho nondo wa maxiu maratwere ngiringithagia resort na cia last year ni mageretie nondo ni macindite class kia last year na some points.
To those who have received their results, just be content with what you've got. It's a blessing too. Remember there are others. Thank you.
Nina ndoto ya kujiunga na shule ya Alliance High School, na baada ya kujiunga na Alliance High School nina ndoto ya kuwa daktari wa upasuaji ambayo tunaita pediatric neurosurgeon.
Ni arimo baraba wite kinyaketha ne bagwiritwe ni mpumiji bote buendi bwao na batinganiri bachwa kuri na ritwa bomwe batrona maxira bareregirite
max chetu atuge ura tukuga tutera gwatirira turendete na itukwira ne kibwaga nuntu ibara makire kigerio pa makina haraka ende nuntu kuri nana batagwatire maxira turi expectite na ba tukona betikiri max ire batu twijicio bagwataga tukabandikira twike claim yetu na ituje nuntu turandika KAIRI na batuthikira kinya nandi bagatuthikira nuntu bwa mwana unenkeri max iticiawe
kirege shigo mbunge ka Central Menti CUKURU ya Sentan primary bedra BARINA na mugwanja bari na max magana jana gwita na mbere are uro tongerete uri na max magana jana je 10
wena bwana wa mbere na 410 na class ina minisco 367 from last year. We have a big improvement.
Our parents that we have come to the end of 844 and now we are coming direct to CBC, that is competence based curriculum, and as we have been shining, I want to tell you that even this curriculum we shall be shining as usual.
Gishigo mbunge kia North Menti CUKURU ya CONSOLATA primary aritwe 19 bethira bari na maxi magana jana GWITIA arari moba wa shari na bamwe baritwa bonene kugwirwa kwao.
Wanafunzi 117 na kati ya wanafunzi hao wanafunzi 19 wamebahatika kupata zaidi ya alama 400. Mwanafunzi wetu wa kwanza amepata alama 417 na tunamshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa sababu asilimia kubwa yao wamefanya vizuri na tuna imani kwamba watajiunga na shule tajika katika nchi yetu ya Kenya na wataendeleza maadili ambayo tumewaelekeza katika shule yetu na tunamshukuru Mungu.
Been working very hard. I've been photocopying for us some papers from the teacher for Kiswahili, Mr. Joe, and we thank God for the results. It's not mostly we cannot say it's our efforts, but God has been there for us.
Studies were fine all along. Personally, I've never even topped in my class, but this came as a really big surprise. I expected to perform well, but not to like top in the whole school. It's really a blessing. I have 411 and I feel really good because I didn't expect good results judging by how my social studies went. I didn't feel so confident with that subject, but
na KIRI mpumi cha kiraria primary kuma wandine Antima West
tubagwita ngugira baitete ngugi nene na kugwata max ira baite bagwete max gukinya 400 eu ni achievement ene na muno twa compare na anabange Kenya yonthe ora na max nyinge 428
kiriana 64 mwana omwe na max 404 kwena ana 14 wena max 300 gweta 399 ana 14 na kwena ana bange ana 23 barabe na max 250 gweta monka 299
rombere kona max 389 na ingwerito mono na inko era murungu ivega nontu bakombetithia rugendo noriro na uraisi
Report rante tosha wero reakwa rietwa ni Mutugi Kare.